It's raining on the streets of Abu Dhabi, and we're gonna take some street photography. Raindrops actually create a flare. As you can see, this and this is creating a flare on the lens, but I'm not gonna wipe that down. I'll just continue like shooting that thing. So we climb up here on the building, and then we found this area that looks amazing. Look at that place there. Look at that space there. Look at that space there as well. I think we're gonna be creating like a cityscape in it. While I'm looking at that on a different perspective. It's too tired. I think I'm gonna need to lose weight. Let's see. We can